Right, as you can see, we moved in here just over a year ago. We've got about half the stock at the moment. These are 12 metre poles. We've got 500 of the signature 9.5s turning up, 1500 classics turning up, got more expeditions turning up, 50 18 metre poles turning up, 1,500 reels of wire turning up. We've run out of space. Next door came up for grabs. And this is it. So we'll put like a monthly stock here. This will be our production place. And we're just on. Production all the way down, both sides of here. Then when the FedEx man turns up, we'll have all the stuff here to pick up. But more than that, we've got upstairs as well. The new admin control. So Wendy wants here, she hits the window, and my radios are literally there. So in the next 12 months we're going to have to work out, do we drill through and bring up all the cables, the antenna field to here, or do we keep the shack downstairs and I'll just have my email up here? I just thought I should keep you lot informed, because if you visit us now, you'll be able to have a nice area for a cup of coffee. Oh, wait a minute. I think I've worked it out, because there's another switch over here. Maybe they've wired it wrong. So if I put that on, now we get the lights. So we'll leave it permanently on, and then we'll use this one to switch it on and off. Oh, you can have a ball in here, central heating and aircon. Yay!